which is Valve formally announcing the availability of replacement parts for the Steam Deck. This is not totally surprising. So I have the formal announcement by Valve on screen right here. This is on their Steam Deck pre-order blog, and they are going to work with iFixit on that, and they're also referencing their teardown here as well. So this is good news, but not surprising, as I said earlier, since Valve already mentioned as part of their teardown that they did a few months ago. I can't remember when it was. Let's check. Do they reference it here? No, not really. Nevertheless, they did a teardown themselves where they showed how easily it is, for example, to replace the joysticks of the Steam Deck and so on. So that there would be replacement parts available was pretty clear from that. And now they formally announced that. And it seems like they're not only to work on that for the Steam Deck, but as they say here, I actually just saw the sentence, they are also working with iFixit to make replacement parts available for the Valve Index. And I'm not sure if it's mentioned here, but as far as I heard, Valve is only also planning to find other companies to work with them for providing replacement parts. So iFixit is not the only source for replacement parts. And in regards to the Index story, here is also the story for on that topic on Road to VR. I added the link to that story also in the show notes. So if you want to get to the show notes, if you're listening to the audio version, you can find them normally linked in the episode description, or you head over to my blog, bnonet.com, where you can find the show notes as well. So this is very welcome news in regards to Right to Repair. What Valve is doing here, also providing replacement parts for the Index, is also very welcome thing. Since, as also other media outlets have discussed before, it's sometimes okay if to just replace a broken part like a joystick or so yourself when your device is out of warranty. That increases the longevity of the product and keeps it out of the landfills. So this makes the product more usable. Valve in the past has basically replaced full controllers just because of a broken joystick. So it's this is not necessary. So if you just need to replace one small part, especially if your device is already out of warranty. Yeah, but that's that whole sort of story. And actually on Friday, so the next upcoming Friday, for you guys listening to this in podcast format, so in audio format, it will be the past Friday, because the episode airs as a podcast on the 27th. It will have already launched for you, but on the 25th, people will be able to start buying the Steam Deck who placed a pre-order this for euro or $4 or $5 pre-order fee, as you can see on screen here right now. And yeah, it will be interesting to see, because so everyone who will be in the first queue will get their notification on the 25th. And as Valve previously announced, shipments will start on the 28th. So that is pretty clever from them, because they basically start accepting orders on Friday, and once the 72-hour time frame has elapsed, the shipments will be able to start right away. So they will know right after those 72 hours to which customers they should ship the first batch. So that's pretty clever. So those people who are in the first batch probably will have their Steam Decks in hand in the first week of March. So that's pretty good news.